In progress.
Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss a game system and apply these three functions: injective, surjective, and bijective. In the injective function, we ensure that every player is mapped to a unique item. This is a one-to-one mapping, and we check if the number of players equals the number of items. If they match, each player gets a unique item. If not, we return a message saying that the mapping isn't injective. While the surjective function ensures that all items are mapped to players, but players may get repeated items. That creates an onto mapping, where every item is used at least once but if might not be unique to each player. We assign items circularly, repeating them if necessarily. And last is the bijective function. The function ensures that every player gets a unique item and all items are used exactly once. This creates a one-to-one and onto mapping. The number of players and items must match for the function to be bijective.